Hello everyone, here is the 7B6 group to present final team project on analyzing team dynamics at Google. We group of 4 members going to perform about case study. Initially, I would like to introduce myself and my team members. Myself Sai Nikhil Chilukuri and my team members are Sreenu Gundeboyana, Sai Ram Poloju and Syed Nouman Ali Sufiyan. Coming to the introduction to Google. Google, as you know, it is a powerhouse for tech industry and well known for its innovation. Today, we'll peek through the complexity of Google team dynamics and what makes them so successful. We focus on effectiveness of Google's team operations as well as overview of missions and reputations for fostering innovations and diversities. In this entire presentation, we will explore on various aspects of Google team dynamics, offering insights and analysis. Here are the top 6 team behaviors at Google. First one is open communication. It is a way of life in every aspect of business. Number 2, collaboration. It is ingrained in its Google's culture itself. 3. Adaptability. It is a key as it navigates through the technology systems. 4. Innovation, where employees are encouraged to think strategically and explore innovative ideas. 5. Empowerment. It is every individual is given authority to make success in their business. 6. Accountability. It strives for the excellence in the organizations. Thank you. Next, Sreenu Gundeboyana is going to explain about inclusive team behaviors. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, Professor. This is Sreenu Gundeboyana. Here I am going to explain about inclusive team behaviors. Google prioritizes diversity in its hiring practices, recognizing the value of different priorities. Inclusive meeting ensure that every voice is heard and valued, fostering a sense of belonging. Employee resource groups provide support and community for underrepresented group within Google. Bias awareness training helps employees recognize and address unconscious biases in their interactions. Accessibility invitations ensure that Google's products and services are usable by everyone. Diversity and inclusion metrics help track progress and hold Google accountable for committed to diversity. And you're coming to a forming, storming, norming, and performing and pre-performing. Teams at Google go through various stages of development, starting with forming, where members got acquainted and understand the project. During the storming phase, conflicts may rise as team roles and goals are clarified. Norming is when the team establishes common goals, norms, and process for effective collaboration. In the forming stage, teams achieve high productivity and energy as they work together smoothly. Reperforming involves adaptive and change in the project requirements over time. Continuous improvement is key as terms interaction and the practice of the reforming. Thank you. The next slide will be goes to my friend.
Hi, Professor. This is Syed Nouman, and coming to the sixth slide, organizational culture and diversity. Google's creative culture empowers its personals to think differently and to search for new ideas, which is a key factor in innovation. The atmosphere of the company is free and more independent, which ensures that employees are allowed to contribute to the projects that interest them as appropriate. The truth at Google is psychological safety that creates a place where people can freely carry out their risks or not with an assurance no one will misinterpret. Diversity is particularly encouraging and develops the sense of community by different projects and establishments. The sharing of the same values, like the commitments to provide service excellence, ensures that the personal value of employees are in congruence with Google's core purpose and vision. Team synergy and conflict. Synergy is the result of collaboration and collective efforts leading to greater outcomes than individual contribution. Conflicts resolution is handled promptly and constructively at Google to maintain team harmony. Google understands conflicts as guiding and signposts to excitement, self discovery, and the achievement of greater goals. Comprehending teamwork mechanism enables one to optimize the level of trust and mutual respect that a team has. And effective communication helps to mitigate activities leading to misunderstanding and resolution of problems. Conflict management styles. Collaboration is interaction of agreed upon actions making both parties benefiting from conflict resolution. Compromising involves finding a common position that will inhibit one step to the top for each one of them. Through this, it may be that the goal is to temporarily evade the kind of confrontation without even addressing the problem. Making room means bending to bending to the barter made by means of doing things the way the other party is acceptable to achieve a balance.
Hi, Professor. My name is Sai Ram Poloju, and my part of is like team performance, clarity of the goals and the roles enabled to the all team members, and to know the tasks of performance and the role everyone has to play. Like effective communications, utilizing of team members can be collaborative on the plan of same goals, and able to member of the same information on the phase feedback and variety of necessaries, everyone necessaries, and confidence of physiology, safety, development, and important since to the member of the team becoming open-minded and innovative and share their thoughts. The knowledge is forever changing things those to be environmental for the learning, creative culture which each temperature member in willing of improving daily. Congratulations of the encouraging and the regulating of approvating of dedication of the team members of the sense creator of the compact. Regulating of allow the team to meet all the blends of hardships, outstanding environmental thoughts and the concepts of adoption. Coming to the facilitation techniques, Google standards out of the wind concept of the creation of collaboration, innovation, and the directive by the team within the organization. The following areas should be given the attention whereby the manual of team techniques and also can cover work and work to the unconscious of basis of improving the conflictions of resolution process. Generally speaks, Google turns to the consideration as the main factors responsible for the high factorization organization performances and the culture. The vision of the Google moves to the development their team is dimensions is order to consult following to the current trend and the fashion in the technology market. To the credentials of these, including and the interpreting of patience of the Google to they all wanted to effective team members are in consenting this is a story to tell Google emerging success as a result of building a skills and a high performing team which leads the company to the color objective fulfillment. And coming to the references, admin J into the 2021 forecasting the creative at the Google, a cause of study, general to the innovative marketing. Born L in 2019, communication strategy in the high performing teams, the legends of the Google hardwaring of business review. And Born L and Johnson M has been prolific of computer management styles and a creative study to the Google approaching general and the organizational behavior. And John S. In 2020 is a derivative of the including meetings of these Google and review effectives Johnsons of deserve in the organizational in 25. Johnson M and Smith A and 2022 team developing stages has been as cases of study of the Google team general terms of applied to the physiology. Thank you, Professor, for the opportunity. Thank you.